If you want to get started with art making, you're probably feeling overwhelmed by the amount of choices in the market. What medium to start with, and what supplies do I truly need, and how do I even get started? The whole experience can be expensive and frustrating. We are Etchr Lab, and we think it was about time someone stepped up and solved this problem. We're not new to this Kickstarter thing. We're a brand created by artists who are used to delivering innovative, quality art supplies and workshops to our deserving community. With this project, we hope to facilitate art making everywhere. By far the best choice for watercolor, cotton paper withstands more paint without bending or peeling, and it allows for a wider range of techniques. Plus, paint behaves so much better on it. Cold press paper is also great for beginners since it helps to hold the water and paint in the same spot much better than the other options. To create all the brush strokes you'll need with as little clutter as possible. With great pigmentation, transparency, and light fastness levels, these are simply the best student-grade watercolor paints. This selection allows for a wide range of color mixing. A must for any artist who loves to combine drawing with watercolor painting, these pens allow for precise lines and broad brush strokes without any blurring or fading. To guide you from the very basics of color mixing to tips, tricks, and exercises that will get you started without any overwhelm. This in-depth series will take you from a total beginner to feeling comfortable enough around the medium to create your own original pieces. Through exercises, demos, talks, and examples, you will be immersed in watercolor painting ideas that will help you develop your own painting path. The mighty llama is back, but this time in gold. Exclusive to Kickstarter backers, pin the noble animal to your favorite bag or accessory. Welcome to the fam. Are you ready to get into art making?